This one's about heads, shoulders, knees and toes. Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Miss one out. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and a nose. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and a nose. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Toes, toes. Toes, toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Toes, toes. Now point to your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your nose. Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Come on. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and a nose. Come on. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
A very good morning to you, boys and girls and early year teachers. This week we have seen the sun shining again. After all the gorgeous rain that we've had over the last couple of weeks, it does feel good to see a lovely clear skies and feel the warm sunshine again. I have one important announcement to make this week. It is our Valentine's Civvies Day on Friday. You may come to school wearing pink, red or white clothes. Please bring along 5 pula as a donation towards our Support for Learning Foundation. Okay, so remember, I'm sure your teachers will remind you to come to school on Friday wearing red, pink or white clothes. All right. Now for the birthdays. This week we have 11 birthdays to celebrate. We have Masa in reception A, Mohammed and Nilo in reception B, Crystal in reception C, Noah in 1C, and Miss Manuel had a birthday the same day as Noah. Kagiso in 2A and Gabby in 2B, Langa in 3A, Nuwan in 3B, and Mbali in 3C. A very, very happy birthday to all the children and Miss Manuel. I hope that you had a lovely time celebrating your special day with your family and friends. This week for our assembly we have something different to offer you. Mrs. Ho Foster, one of our Standard 7 teachers, will be sharing something about a celebration that takes place at this time of the year. I'd like you all to listen very carefully as we find out more about the Chinese New Year. Have a lovely day, boys, girls, and teachers, and I look forward to seeing all of you here again next Wednesday. Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye.
Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Ho Foster in 7C, and I'm alone. So I'm going to take off my mask. So this is a special week for my family and for millions and millions of people all around the world because we are celebrating Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year has other names as well. It's also called the Lunar New Year and the Spring Festival. Its origins go all the way back for thousands of years. Like many traditional festivals, Chinese New Year is full of stories and myths. One of the most popular is that the mythical beast Nian ate livestock, crops, and even people at the beginning of the new year. So to prevent Nian from attacking people and causing destruction, people put food at their doors for Nian. And then they figured out that Nian was scared of loud noises and the color red. And that's when people started to use red lanterns and firecrackers as well. Even though this festival has changed a lot over hundreds and thousands of years, today we still see millions of people travel and visit friends and cook special meals, all as part of the celebration of this Lunar New Year. So at my house, we celebrate in a couple of different ways. We always have a big meal, lots of yummy food, and we eat these. I don't know if you've ever had one. These are just delicious milk sweets called white rabbits. And our children get this very special red envelope. And there's always something special inside, which is some money. And that's for the kids, and that is part of our celebration. So it made me wonder, what does Northside know about Chinese New Year? And do some of the other families at Northside celebrate as well? Let's find out.
For Chinese New Year, we normally celebrate from eating different foods and celebrating from different stuff. We normally have fireworks, lanterns, and we also give gifts to each other, as well as money, as well as sweets and candy and food. And sometimes when we eat the food, sometimes we put money inside the dumplings. If you get a specific coin, you get a specific luck or fortune.
Once I went to a zoo where they made dragons and decorated them in lights, and they celebrated how it was a new year for Chinese and
So how do you celebrate Chinese New Year?
I celebrated by cooking dumplings and then drinking wine and buy sweets and also putting on fireworks.
So what have you learned about Chinese New Year?
I've learned that it's a light festival, and where they go out to the street with the Chinese dragons, and they put the Chinese lanterns and decorate their houses, and also they give gifts to everyone.
So what have you learned about Chinese New Year?
I've learned about they have parades, Chinese fireworks, and they have food. They give sweets and presents, dragons and fake fire, decorations.
According to Chinese astrology, every year is represented by one of 12 animal signs. This year, we're celebrating the year of the ox. People born in the year of the ox are said to be very hardworking and methodical. They're usually upright, honest, diligent, motivated, with extraordinary determination and great endurance. However, they can be a bit stubborn and sometimes hold their feelings inside. So if you were born in 2009, this is going to be your year, and you can reflect on the special meaning of being born in the year of the ox. People born in the year of the ox have lucky numbers, and they are number 1 and number 4. They have lucky colors, yellow and green. They have lucky flowers, which are peach blossoms and tulips, and they even have lucky directions, north and south. thank you so much for coming on my little journey of my assembly this week to learn all about Chinese New Year. If you celebrate, I hope it's wonderful and enjoy the Year of the Ox. Bye.